finding places. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Put the cars on. Let's go. What do I do?
That's it. We're Bowsy Wows. Let's go Portugal.
William Carvalho, first guy I can name.
And here we got Sean trying to get a disc golf out of the tree. Yeah, it is. There we go. Got some of the brakes on here. There we go. Coming together, coming together. Alright guys, so we got everything on. Got the front derailleur, chain ring, brakes. Now we're just gonna get the chain. We're gonna get all the cables all good here, and should be rolling pretty soon. It's been pretty crazy, but it's looking good. All right, guys, the Peugeot I was talking about, rocking on some Tiagras. He's got to change his chain there, but hey. The brakes are different. That's what we had the issue with. They obviously didn't reach when you ordered them in, so you just got some black generic brakes right now, just to go with the bike. Got a cool Peugeot old sign there, but looks pretty clean. R500 wheels, obviously 10 speed, but yeah, that's pretty nice. And took a couple days to build, and looking good. We also have this Miyata right here with Shimano 105s on everything. There you go, looking pretty slick. I like that. Looking good. Cool little bike too. There you go. Looks good. Cool looking bike.